Hey, what's up guys? Slow and Rusty here. I wanted to show a quick video of the AMG Aero 2 slash BBS wheels that I just refinished. They came out awesome. They look fantastic. In my infinite wisdom, unfortunately I did not take any video of what these wheels look like before I took them all apart and then repolished them, refinished them. So unfortunately I don't have a before and after, just pictures, but no video. But anyway, I just thought I would share this with you guys. Again, these are 18 by 8.5, so they're a square set of wheels, two-piece wheels. I completely refinished well, I guess you could say every square inch of the wheels. I went through the barrels, I cleaned all the barrels, I polished the lips, ranging from starting with sort of a medium type compound and then working my way up to the micro polished finish that you see here. And then I had the centers powder coated in gunmetal. And then I bought brand new center caps from Mercedes, and all the wheel bolts I actually hand polished. They're genuine BBS wheel bolts. I'm not sure if it'll show up or not, but every bolt says BBS and then the grade of the actual fastener, which is it's a 10.9 fastener. So not sure if it'll come up in the video or not, but hopefully it does. But as you can see on the lips, I really went through every square inch very carefully to come up with the finish that you see here. So very pleased with the overall final product. A lot of hours went into these wheels, near 40 hours as a matter of fact, and then I hand torqued every single bolt. So they're ready for a new home. So they're for sale, and hope they find themselves on a really cool Mercedes, because these are such awesome wheels, and you just don't see them very often. Maybe once a year, once every 2 years, you'll see a set pop up, but they're really rare and they're so cool, and just so perfect. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you enjoy it, and more videos from the Slow and Rusty Garage coming up. Take care, and Merry Christmas, everybody.